What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. Today I want to hit y'all with my recent pickup. I just got it today. That's why I still got all my clothes, man. And yeah, I wanted to show y'all what I picked up. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell for your boy, and let's get this video up to 100 likes, you feel me? So let's get right into this video, man. Let's get it. Okay, this shoe right here I picked up from the same guy that I picked up the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Orcas from back in June, I believe, June or May. He hooked me up with those European exclusive, and now he hit me with these bad boys. I'm waiting for them since they're released. I forget the release date, but once y'all seen them, y'all gonna know how long I'm waiting on them for. And yeah, he also hooked me up with a free shirt, so I'm gonna show y'all that first. So here go the shirt right here. It says "Black Men Don't Cheat" right here. It's like a Black History Month colorway or whatever, and I feel like this is very dope. I have no Black History Month shoes. Maybe that's something I need to get, like the Flyknit Black History Month ones or something in that nature, just so I can rock this shirt, or maybe just rock it with the Black Cat 13s or my Flyknit 3s, you feel me? Shouts out to my man Jay for hooking me up with a free shirt. Let's get into the kicks. All right, here you go, Air Jordan 4 box. Check out the size tag right there, size 9, as you can see. Let me turn that brightness down for y'all real quick. And it is an Air Jordan 4 NRG, and the official colorway is Court Purple and Black. You can kind of see the shoe right there, so I gave it away, man. Let's peel this bad boys open. So I finally just seen a little bit of glimpse of it, but I have not checked out my pair yet. So let's see what they're looking like. Throw the lid out, black paper, and bam, there you have it, Air Jordan 4 OVO Drake / Toronto's, man. Here you have it. I said Toronto's. Raptors. Here you go, man. Very, very dope shoe. I've been waiting for this shoe for a while, bruh. I just been busy. I couldn't go pick it up, and today I finally was able to go grab these bad boys, and here we have it. These I did not know were going to just be the regular Raptors. I thought they were going to be the Drake's with his signature on the tongue or whatever. And I didn't know that the tongue was just all black. I thought I had like a little purple or red in there, but here you have it. Let me pull out the other shoe real quick. And here goes the other beauty right here, man. Check these joints out. Finally got them in my possession. Y'all let me know right now in the comment section below if y'all grabbed this shoe. I know my boy the Retro Whiskey did like a comparison with these and the Travis Scott 4s. And right now, just looking at this shoe, I'm not sure which one I like better. Like right now, I'm not sure, bro, but these mugs are fire. Only thing I would say that made the shoe go down in value, whatever, is them not being the Drakes or the OVOs. If they would have put OVO on the tongue or whatever, these things would have flew off the shelves, and the resale would have been way higher. Right now, you can get a pair for about $230, $240 range. I know right now my size is going for about $240, size 9. And right here, we finally got them, bro. We got them for a good price, and I'm glad that I got them, bro. Very glad. So let me pull out my Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, so just so we can see like which one I'm feeling more, bro. So hold on one second. All right, here you go, Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts and the Air Jordan 4 Drakes. Which musician had the best Air Jordan this year, man? Right now, I'm going with the Travis Scotts just because the color is more vibrant and the color is just popping. But you gotta give these Toronto Raptors or the Drakes, you gotta give these credit, man, because these joints right here are very fire. If you had to ask me which one I would want to get more, it would have to be these. Maybe just because a little bit more details. You know, you still got the Cactus Jack on the back, and on here you just got the regular Air Jordan Jumpman. But yeah, these won it, man. These won for me as the musician of the year for the shoes. It had to be these, and there are more colorways dropping of the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts. That purple colorway, and there's like a beige or a green colorway as well. So yeah, that is it, man. This is my pickup for today. Like I said, I've been waiting for the shoe for a while. If you got this shoe, let me know in the comment section below. If you gotta get it on resale, let me know how much you paid. And yeah, let me know what you copping next as well. That is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to get the video to 100 likes. And follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram. The links will always be in the description box below. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.